Hi friends, welcome to IMO videos, standard 8, video number 116, logical reasoning, section C, achiever, toughest one. Let's start. Which of the following options satisfy the same condition of placement of dots as in figure X? It means what? This figure X has dots in certain positions. Now the remaining figures A, B, C, D should satisfy the similar conditions, but there won't be any dot. But the condition of the dots should be there in these figures, like see. In figure X, one of the dots lies in the triangle alone. This one means there is one region only for triangle. Another dot lies in region common to square and triangle, means square and triangle, means there is one region which is common only to square and triangle. And third dot lies in the region common to circle and square. Circle and square means there is one region which is common only to circle and square. So what do you mean is you have to find certain. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuvaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.